Ingredients: 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water. In 1 cup, you're gonna measure exactly 1 cup of quinoa, and you're gonna rinse the quinoa. Make sure you remove all the water. You can clean it up to 2 times. 2 tablespoons of extra olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, onion, turn on heat to medium. Now you're gonna grab 1 carrot, you add them to the pan, then 1 zucchini. Don't forget to remove the skin, or you can leave the skin on, optional. Then some broccoli. Use 2 heads and dice them up, and finally add them to the pan and stir for 5 minutes until they get like a golden color. Then you're gonna add the quinoa once it's clean and everything, and stir all the ingredients together for another 5 minutes. Then you're gonna add 2 cups of water. And remember, for 1 cup of quinoa, you use 2 cups of water. Cover the pan and let it cook for 15 minutes. Yummy! Hope you like my recipe. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.